feel better. He absolutely despises like the big bumblebees and the horse flies and things like that that come around. Once he starts to hear them, he gets pretty stressed out. So he's just kind of wanting to hide in a hole underneath the camper now. Poor man. I may get him. I'm gonna start the truck up and let him sit in the truck. Alright, well, I'm going to let him hang out in there for a little bit. I got the AC on full blast, so I'm going to let him kind of cool off and calm down a little bit. But I think that's just a sign that I need to get a gazebo tent, one of those bug net mesh tents. So be looking for that in the future. That's going to make summer camping a lot more enjoyable. And it can double as a ground tent, which will be great to have when I'm wanting to do the Georgia Traverse again, or maybe take on the Florida Adventure Trail, or just go to some places that my camper can't really go. All of the veggies except for the onions came from the garden. Got a shishito pepper, so that's going to give it some good spice and flavor. And then we've also got a biggie chili, just kind of a generic hybrid large chili pepper. Kind of like a mild jalapeno on the heat, and I just put that in there to kind of bulk things up. And once it kind of caramelizes, basically no spice at all to it. Throw those in there. I'm not sure if this is going to come through on the GoPro, but if you can see these berms right here, there are a couple of just defined berms right next to this little road, ditch, berm, ditch. And in a lot of these ditches, like right over there, right down there, there is really old, there's spider webs, really old trash dumps. Like somebody backed their old truck up, dumped all of their old cans and bottles and stuff like that out into these ditches. But why are there a bunch of them? Let me know what y'all's thoughts are. See, like here we've got an old tire that's been buried for forever. These barrels have been up here for as long as I can remember. And then coming down in here, we've got jars and bottles and more jars. And then there's no telling what's buried underneath all of the soil. There's something over there too. I know I follow that guy that's around Alabama that digs for really old bottles and cool things like that. I mean, it could have just been a dumping ditch where they would just dump everything. Ritz Cola. Y'all let me know if you've ever had Ritz Cola. It's kind of an interesting looking bottle. Hey, but Fanta. Interesting. I mean, it doesn't look like it's super old because it has just a regular label on there, but there's no telling what you could find in here. I think I might hold on to that. Yeah, so this had to be an old dump or something. See that old iron? Those old bottles in there. Huh. Still a little warm. Well, alright y'all, that's gonna wrap up another video. I really appreciate y'all for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, these relaxing camping videos, please consider subscribing. Buck and I would love to have y'all come along on these adventures with us. Be sure to click that like button on the way out, and we will catch y'all on the next one.